Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize connect DynamoDB to no-code app platforms, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the DynamoDB service from the Services menu. Select the Create Table button to set up your DynamoDB table if you haven't already. Define the table name and primary key attributes according to your app's requirements. Configure additional settings such as read and write capacity, and enable automatic scaling if needed. Once the table is created, go to the Tables section and select your table. Click on the Permissions tab to manage access. Here, you will create a new IAM role that grants permission to your DynamoDB table. Go to the IAM service from the Services menu. Select Roles from the IAM dashboard and click on Create Role. Choose the AWS service option and select Lambda or the appropriate service for your no-code platform. Click Next, Permissions and search for the policy named Amazon DynamoDB Full Access or create a custom policy with necessary permissions. Attach the policy to your role and click Next, Tags. Optionally, add tags for better organization, then click Next, Review. Provide a name for the role, and click Find the area where you can connect external databases or services. Select DynamoDB as the database option, or if applicable, choose a generic API option. Input the necessary credentials, including the AWS Access Key ID, Secret Access Key, and region. In the connection settings, specify your DynamoDB table name and any other required information like read/write capacities. Verify the connection to ensure everything is set up properly. Once verified, save the configuration. Now, you can start building and integrating your no-code application with DynamoDB seamlessly. Test your app to ensure data flow is functioning as expected. Monitor the usage and adjust permissions as needed within the IAM console. You are now ready to utilize DynamoDB in your no-code application effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.